This video mainly introduces the replacement of electrode. Enter the main interface. Click to enter the maintenance menu. Click the Replace the electrode option. Select it and then enter the electrode verification code. Select it and then enter the electrode verification code. Remove the electrodes. Remove the old electrode and replace it with new one. Same for the other part. Close the protective cover. Press the Start button and after the display shows that the discharge calibration is completed, the electrode replacement is successful.